America is a playground for thrill seekers. Alpine peaks, desert depths, and wild places that will push your limits. This is your guide to the top 10 adventures in the USA. Are you ready to answer the call of the wild? Let's go! We're starting big, rafting the Colorado River through the Grand Canyon. This isn't just a ride, it's a multi-day expedition through ancient rock, legendary rapids, and star-filled nights. You'll battle rapids like lava falls, hike to hidden waterfalls, and camp on remote beaches. It's raw, elemental, and unforgettable. Next up is Zion's Angel's Landing, a legendary hike that challenges both your body and your mind. This trail is famous for its breathtaking scenery and its reputation as one of the most thrilling hikes in the United States. From the very first steps, you can feel the anticipation building as the trail winds upward through stunning red rock formations. The final stretch is a narrow ridge with 1,000-foot drops on either side, and only a sturdy chain to hold onto for support. Every step forward demands focus and courage, as the wind whips around you and the sheer cliffs drop away beneath your feet. Each moment on the ridge is a true test of nerve, but reaching the summit is unforgettable. At the top, you're rewarded with a spectacular 360-degree view over Zion Canyon, an endless panorama of rugged cliffs, winding rivers, and dramatic landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. Completing Angel's Landing is more than just a hike. It's a rite of passage for adventurers. The sense of accomplishment and camaraderie at the summit is something you'll never forget. Conquer your fear, embrace the challenge, and the incredible view at the top is yours to savor, a memory that will stay with you forever. Yosemite's Half Dome is a legendary 16-mile challenge, drawing adventurers from around the world. The journey begins in the shadowy forests of Yosemite Valley, winding through towering pines and past cascading waterfalls, before the real test begins, the famous cables. The final ascent is a near-vertical climb up smooth, exposed granite, where every step demands focus, courage, and determination. Gripping the cold steel cables, you pull yourself higher, heart pounding with anticipation. Reaching the summit is a true test of strength and willpower, but the reward is unforgettable. Sweeping panoramic views of Yosemite Valley and the distant High Sierra peaks, stretching as far as the eye can see. Stand atop this granite giant, feeling the wind and sun on your face. You've truly earned this moment of triumph. This is achievement at its purest, a memory and accomplishment that will stay with you forever. In Alaska, soar above Denali's glaciers, then land on ancient ice for a dog-sledding adventure. Meet a team of huskies, glide across the snow, and feel the wild heart of the last frontier. It's a humbling, exhilarating connection to nature. Alaska will change you. Head to Florida's Biscayne National Park, where 95% of the park is underwater. Kayak over coral reefs, spot sea turtles, and paddle through mangrove tunnels. It's peaceful, immersive, and full of discovery. Explore a hidden world beneath the surface. Jackson Hole, Wyoming, legendary for steep terrain and deep powder. Drop into Corbett's Couloir if you dare, or explore endless backcountry with the Tetons as your backdrop. This is skiing at its most thrilling. Push your limits on every run. Sometimes adventure is the journey, like California's Pacific Coast Highway. Cruise dramatic cliffs, stop for redwoods or hidden beaches, and watch the sunset over the ocean. The freedom of the open road is the real adventure. Discover the beauty of the coast at your own pace. In Moab, Utah, ride the whoops on the Porcupine Rim, slick rock dips and desert views. It's a natural roller coaster for mountain bikers, pure speed, skill, and joy in a surreal landscape. Go deep into the slot canyons of the Southwest, scramble, rappel, and swim through sculpted stone. The light glows, the walls twist, and every turn is a new challenge. Trust your gear and your guide. It's an intimate, awe-inspiring adventure. Zion's Narrows. There's no trail, just the Virgin River. Wade, walk, and sometimes swim between towering canyon walls. The scale is humbling, the beauty surreal. It's a journey you'll never forget. Which adventure tops your list? Is it scaling the highest peaks, diving into the depths of the ocean, or perhaps exploring hidden trails in the wilderness? Let us know in the comments. Share your dream destinations and the adventures you crave. Like, share, and subscribe for more epic journeys. Your support helps us bring you the best adventure content. The real adventure starts when you decide to go, when you take that first step into the unknown. Step outside your comfort zone and discover what you're capable of. Respect the wild, leave no trace, and always be mindful of your impact. Protect these places for the next generation. Every small action counts. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Now get out there and live your own adventure. The world is waiting for you.